Hello, hello. How's it going, everyone? How's the hackathon? We are near the end of Support-a-thon, and in couple of minutes, the we'll have the winners ready. So I thought, in the meantime, let's do something fun. Um, I got to look at a couple of submissions, and they were like quite awesome. And I want to see, like, okay, let's go through some of the submissions and see what you all made. Okay, I'm gonna start sharing my screen, or if you would like, uh, open a ticket in Discord and tag me. And if you want to hop on screen with me and share what you made, and whatever new you learned today, so you can do that, or I can share my screen and play the demo videos and just scroll through the projects and see how it goes. So in the meantime, let me just go ahead and open our Support-a-thon dev post. There you go. So let's see what projects we have. Track my focus. Let's start with this. Let me know if you can hear the audio. All right.
Hi there, my name is Ashwat. I'm here to launch a project that is being developed within this hackathon conducted by MLH. For this hackathon, we decided to work on a project that aims to help people track the number of distractions they face in a session. We all find it hard to understand how focused we are on a task, and we wanted to create a tool that could help people track these distractions and gain better insight on their focus span. That is, a tracking aid for ADHD. For this project, we divided it into two modules, an app and a website. Now we'll show the demo to you. Here is the app which we log in with the browser. After logging in, it shows two buttons, the Tap Me and Prompt Me. The Tap Me is a constant overlay over the individual session. After writing the session name, we go ahead and start the session. Whatever task we are doing, irrespective, this overlay would be there. Whenever we are distracted, you can press the distracted button. This will count in the backend of CockroachDB. The integration to CockroachDB was smooth, the documentations were amazing, and yes, of course, we had to use it. For authentication, we used Auth0. Authentication is a very mind-numbing part of any project. But with Auth0 and its easy to understand documentation, we were able to easily do it. Next, when we enter into the website and press on the session, we see a graphical representation of the tabs versus the time. This can be showed to a medical professional or a therapist for more help. Now, this site was registered by GoDaddy. Thank you.
Wow. I could use that. I should definitely use that. A time tracker which adds an overlay that is so realistic and something we need. It's kind of like sticky notes, but digital. And oh wow, we have a deployed version too. Oh, okay. I don't have any registered sessions. I can log out. Oh, I can. Impressive. And I can log in with Google. Pretty cool stuff. Really, really like it. And this was made in 48 hours. It's unbelievable. That is so good. All right, let's see what else do we have. Cyberpal. I like the GIF. This looks pretty intense. Let's play this one.
Hello everyone, we are presenting our project Cyberpal. Cyberpal is an AI-based Hello everyone, we are presenting our project Cyberpal. Cyberpal is an AI-based voice assistant which is made under Suppport-a-thon, which is an MLH hackathon. Behind Cyberpal, we are the team of four members which are from computer science background, Purvi Saini, Simran Shetty, Rhea Tyagi, and the Shikha Dhiman. Technologies which are used for making cyberpal is the programming language Python and its different libraries like speech recognition, datetime, Wikipedia, web browser, OS, SMTP, and PY audio. Feature and activities that cyberpal can perform are it can open different websites for you like YouTube, Google, music player, and the Wikipedia. It can also crack jokes, ask you riddles, display the current time, and read news for you. It can also control the volume of your system, suggest you the random activities, and can send email. Now let's see the demo of cyberpal. Good morning. Hi, I am your cyber pal. What shall I call you? Ria. Nice to meet you, Nun. How may I help you? Search on YouTube hackathon. Searching hackathon. Wikipedia Shah Rukh Khan. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Shah Rukh Khan, pronounced XXN, born the 2nd of November 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality who works in Hindi films. Open music player. Opening WYNK player. Tell me a joke. This one specially for you, Nan. How do you organize a space party? You plan it. Ask me a riddle. Let's see if Nun can answer this. Four cars come to a four-way stop, all coming from a different direction. They can't decide who got there first, so they all go forward at the same time. They do not crash into each other, but all four cars go. How is this possible? You have 10 seconds to guess the answer. They all made right-hand turns. Open Google. Opening Google. Volume down. Volume up. Tell me the time. Sir, the time is 0:41 and 25 seconds. News. Elon Musk offers journalists he banned from Twitter ability to return under certain conditions. Quit. Bye bye.
That is so cool. That is so awesome. That's like Siri for Windows or Siri for system in general. Wow. And you built that in 48 hours? No way. That is amazing. I should definitely use this. Great work, folks. Look at PaySafe. Let's look at PaySafe. PaySafe. Where do we have? There you go. Nice design. Alrighty.
Hello, welcome to PaySafe. So we worked on accessible payments for everyone. Like it is like there are a lot of scams, frauds happening. So to identify that frauds and all, like to secure the money transfers, we made accessible payments where our project name is PaySafe, and this is how like you just go and click on sign in and add your details. And so we are in the PaySafe, the first transaction. So in order to, do a transaction over here, we will go and do. So here is our idea. Like there are a lot of transactions being happening. So in order to, like there are kind of like instant transactions, and they might people might not be able to recognize like whether the opposite person is a scammer, or or a genuine person, like a real person, like where I would like to send the money to him. So it is kind of like a concern. So we thought, when a user is sending a transaction, the transaction will be on hold so that, user can able to understand whether like user can able to verify the status of the opposite person. Like if it is kind of like a fraud or something, they can be able to, abort the transaction, and they can hold the transaction for almost like 12 hours, like 1 day, 3 day, 5 days, 7 days, like as it involves money. So we decided to have that. So I can give contact detail. Like this works on the kind of like a UPI. we couldn't integrate UPI, but this is how, like, if you want to send a money, it sends a money, it sends the money. And here is our kind of like a pay safe, like what exactly it is. Like it is kind of like a fun project for every user, just to help them from being scammed by holding the transactions. And if the user think it is a scam or something, they can just cancel the payment. Let's say that I'm gonna do the same. So if we had integrated the UPI, then we could have sent to this and holded the transaction. And if the person finds it is a scam, so then I would like to go and cancel my transaction. So thank you.
Wow, that is really cool. That is actually very nice. It's not cringe, it's really nice. I really liked it. It has a very nice real world use case. Cool stuff. What else do we have? Access web. Let's do access web. Oops, you cannot see this tab because I'm on the wrong tab.
Hello, this is Ritik Goyal. This is the video demo for Suppport-a-thon. So this is the web application that we've created. So our web application is a voice assistant application app that takes voice commands queries from the users and reply to those queries and commands in the voice format. Our app is especially beneficial for the people who have some visual impairments or people who have limited accessibilities to the different input tools to the computer. So by using our app, especially people with visual impairment will have access to different functionalities of the web. All they have to do is just ask our voice assistant and it will reply them with the most relevant answers, because we believe that every individual, no matter how different they are, should have an access to different functionalities of the internet and the web. So our app, what our app does is, if you click on this greet button, our voice assistant will greet you with the what time of the day it is. So good afternoon. Hi, I am your voice assistant, sir. Please tell me how may I help you. And by clicking on the query button, you will be able to give commands to the voice assistant. Like for example, if you want to search what is a hackathon, so all you can do is you can click on the query button. Please tell your query, sir. Hackathon Wikipedia. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, a hackathon, also known as a hack day, hackfest, datathon, or codefest, a portmanteau of hacking and marathon, is an event where people engage in rapid and collaborative engineering over a relatively short period of time, such as 24 or 48 hours. They are often run using agile software development practices, such as sprint-like design, wherein computer programmers and others involved in software development, including graphic designers, interface designers, product managers, project managers, domain experts, and others collaborate intensively on engineering projects, such as software engineering. You can also give other queries like, please tell your query, sir. Open YouTube. Opening YouTube in just a second, sir. So it will open YouTube for you. If you want to open google.com, it can also do that. Please tell your query, sir. Open google.com. Open google.com. Opening google.com in just a second, sir. Or you can also ask it to play music for you. Please tell your query, sir. Play music. Playing music, sir. So this is the some functionalities of what our assistant can do. Thank you.
Nice. I'm so glad a lot of you folks are making it around the accessibility theme of voice assistants. That's a very nice way to use accessibility and make it work and it has real world use case. Really like this one. Oh, next up. Oops. What do we have next? Oh, I like this name. Adopticity. Interesting. What does this do? Whoops, I forgot to share the screen again. There you go. Oh, I like this GIF. So cute. Every heart needs a home. Oh, it's made by Willow. Interesting.
Hello everyone, this is our demo hack for Suppport-a-thon. We have built Adopticity. Our mission is to spread awareness about the benefits of adoption and to support LGBT families so that everyone has the chance to have. With the help of its animation, we are able to demonstrate the seamless transition between the pages. We are using Wix e-com backend to create a web shop and selling items for the parents. Parents can purchase items for their child. We have a special promo code called Adopticity. We are using Wix forum backend and we have built a blog using Wix forum backend. We are promoting LGBTQ parents. They can share their parenting tips. This is live. You can check the comments and views. We have used Wix HTTP function for the use of to managing the kids content. Here's our child adoption feature where parent can look up for the adoption of a child. We have a bunch of data for children which can be added from the admin side onto the Wix data collection where we are managing child's data. Admin can add children's data from here and parent can request for the child adoption. They have to fulfill the form and required fields. Once we receive the child adoption request from the admin panel, you can check out the request and we will approve the request and you can schedule further a meeting with the child. Here we have received a request and we can check that this child is now adopted. Using Wix real time, we are able to integrate the chit chat feature where parent can request for the help from our specialist. We'll receive the request here and you can manage from here. On the admin panel, we have used Wix HTTP function for custom API for managing child's data, for adding child request and to get the list of available child for the adoption. So that's all about adapticity. Thank you guys for watching our video.
That is such a beautiful project. I love it. That's a very unique problem set that you're solving there. Really good one. Hi Tintin, what are we doing here? We are just showcasing the demos of Support-a-thon. The results are almost up. We'll be announcing the winners soon. If you participated and want to showcase your demo, just let me know the name in the chat. I'd be happy to showcase it. Also, if you are looking for the project roster, it's in the Discord. I'm not sure what you mean by attendance check-in link. Awesome. Let's see what else do we have. What's next? B access byte. How do you pronounce it? Basic byte cheat accessibility. That's a very cunning name.
Hello, I am Krupali Trivedi and I will show you what Basic Byte is. Basic Byte is a website for cheat sheet to accessibility. Means you will get all the resources here to make your project accessible for all. This site has been created in Velo and more resources will be added as we go. For now, we also have our accessibility score checker which will help you to see if your site is accessible for other people or not. Here is a list of items in it, and when you select, you will get a score. And that's it from my side. Thank you.
Interesting. Accessibility sheet for making sites accessible. That's a very cunning app. And that's very handy when you're trying to work on a hackathon like Support-a-thon. So great job on that. Extensible. A lot of tongue twisters today. Oh, I like the README. It's very well built. Oh, single hacker, Krish. Nice. Let's see what do we have here.
Hi there, my name is Krish and I'm excited to share my project with you today for the Suppport-a-thon hackathon. As you may know, building accessible websites can be a challenging task, especially with the increasing number of devices and web browsers in use today. That's why the theme of this hackathon is so important. We want to bridge the gap for those with a variety of abilities and learn the best practices of creating accessible tech in all of our projects. That's where my project comes in. Accessible allows you to enter a website's URL and quickly figure out that what's wrong with the website in terms of accessibility. And it also gives you links to fix those issues. And it also, in the future, would be telling you the severity of the issue. So let's have a look. This is Accessible. This website is what we built in this hackathon. This website allows you to enter the URL of any website and press the button to run analysis on that website using Puppeteer automated testing and then figure out that what's wrong with the website. Here is one of my friend's portfolio and let's change this for something else. Maybe let's say you want to try out that what's the accessibility concern on the Twitter homepage. I spelled Twitter wrong. Twitter homepage. You just write in twitter.com and press the button and the website's gonna figure everything out about your accessibility issues by booting up an instance of Puppeteer Chrome and running all the analysis on it that's needed. I hope that you liked my project and I hope that this project is going to help many websites become more accessible and open to wider reaches.
Nice. Let's see if I can use this. Can I use this? Do you have a deployed version? Oh, no, we don't. Oh, we have one. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is... That's fine. But I would be very excited to use this on my own portfolio. I have to make my portfolio very accessible. Ooh, Kavach. So Kavach is Hindi word for shield. Yeah, it says right here. That's a very cute name. Let's see what it is.
Hello judges, me Ritika Singh and my teammate Ananya Punia will present our product Kavach for the hackathon named Suppport-a-thon. Let's dive into the live demo of Kavach. As you can see that I am standing at a less decent place with a motive to buy an indecent product. Let's send a money request to my lender with just a simple phone call. Here, our team has implemented a central interactive voice response service for Kavach using Twilio. So simply enter the lender's phone number and press hash. After that, we are required to enter the amount we want. Let's enter the amount and again press hash. So now my money request has been sent to my lender.
Let's jump to the lender's interface, that is me. I can see the money request and check the decency score of this request. Kavach is using my borrower's location to find the nearest indecent place from its dataset and generates the score. My borrower's place was indecent, hence the score was less. I can also see the directions between my borrower's home and her current location using Google Maps in the app. As I rejected the money request, hence it goes to the suspect list.
Let's test Kavach in new location. This place looks decent. Let's go on and send a request to the lender.
Execute your code.
Hello, this is Kavach. Please enter your lender phone number and press hash. Please enter the amount and press hash. Thanks, your money request has been sent.
Moving on to the lender's interface, let's see what the new request has. Let's consider the range of 2.5 km for surveillance. Great, the decency score looks pretty good. Let's accept the request. To pay the amount, I'll be redirected to the Razorpay payment gateway where I can use GPay, Paytm or PhonePe and cards. And the payment will be finally done.
Let's see what the present tech stack of Kavach is. Kavach app is built using Kotlin, Google Maps, Twilio, Razorpay, and Django with MongoDB deployed on Heroku and tested with Postman. Our team Hacky Girls plans to integrate production-level machine learning and blockchain so as to improvise the decency score generation in Kavach. Let's move to the business aspect of Kavach. The business models of Kavach are broadly divided into business to business and business to customers. The proposed business to business model targets to be integrated with Amex credit cards. In this model, the lender can become the nominee for the borrower. Kavach can also be implemented with the government payment services so as to ensure legit transfer of money within the state.
Moving on to the business to customer model of Kavach, Kavach can be integrated with cab services for carpooling. Kavach can also be used in parental control model to have a deep check on the caretakers of their children.
So this is our Kavach, your digital shield of money.
Whoa, that is so cool. I want to use Kavach. I hope you folks are actually releasing this. Uh, Loved it. This is such a nice use case, especially with the UPI payments in India that I use. A lot of folks you might know. It's unified payment integration. It just means that everything is just connected to one backend, and this is a very nice way to verify where the payment request is coming from. Tintin, there is no attendance check-in link. I'm sorry for a hackathon. Although if you submitted a project, you should have a project roster in the Discord, which you can check. If you want to know more about fellowship cohort program, go to fellowship. I'm just gonna drop it here. Uh, fellowship.mlh.io, or just head over to the fellowship Discord channel in our server, and you should be good. Uh, that was a really cool project, and that said, I see that we have our judges done with the judging, and I guess the results are ready for that. Hey, you are not late. We have not revealed anything yet. We are just showcasing the projects, what hackers made, what you all made. I believe you also showcased your project, Krish, which was pretty awesome. Alrighty, we will be starting the closing ceremony in couple of minutes. So hang tight, and I'll be back in no time. All right, I am back, and I am not alone. We are ready for our closing stream, folks. But with me, we have Ellie and Utkarsh here. So let me pop them in the chat. Hello.
Hi everyone.
How's
All
it going
right.
for you all?
Yeah, pretty good. We're so excited to announce all the winners. So
Yeah.
we'll go ahead. I'll yes, hi. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So yes, oh hi, hello. Okay, yeah. So yeah, once I first want to start off by saying thank you so much to all the hackers, mentors, and judges that were active this weekend. We had about 100 plus hackers check in and over 25 projects submitted. So that was really awesome, and had a really amazing time looking at what everyone submitted. So yes, so First, we'll be going through the MLHN sponsor prizes, and just as a reminder, that's the best domain name from GoDaddy, best use of Auth0, best use of CockroachDB, and then best use of Velo by Wix. And then all of those have their prizes accordingly. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start off with the best domain name from GoDaddy. So that is going to go to tobeRail4.us. So congratulations to you. Yes, and then best use of CockroachDB, that's going to go to Connect Help. Congratulations to you as well. And then we also have best use of Velo by Wix, and that is going to Baxis Byte. So yes, very cool. Thank you so much. And then also best use of Auth0, that is going to Track My Focus. So congratulations to you as well. Then we'll be going through the Suppport-a-thon prizes. So that is going to be the first and second and third overall, as always. And then best inclusivity hack. So that is whether you created a hack that was keeping in mind inclusiveness and, keeping in mind like everyone. So that's that one. And then Hackccessibility Award is going to those who 50% of their team were first-time hackers. So yes, for the best inclusivity hack, that's going to Dia. Congratulations. And then for the Hackccessibility Award is going to Dr. Allguide. So congratulations to you as well. And then we're going to start off with the overall sections. So we have our third overall winner, and that is going to Interview Prep. Congratulations. Next, we have the second overall. And
drum rolls. Can you have drum rolls in the
yes,
chat?
Drum rolls, drum rolls. Okay.
Second overall, yeah.
Yes, that is going to Symphony. Congratulations. And then big drum roll for this one. We have first overall. Okay.
Who is it? Who is it?
All right. Okay. All right, I'll announce it.
Why am I getting was? I don't know.
All right, first overall is going to Tyriak. So congratulations. Big applauses. So yeah, and to all of our winning hackers, congratulations to all of you. All right, and then I'll pass it over.
Yep. Thank you so much for all of you for making this weekend amazing. I hope you all had a great time, and we want to make sure that all of you get rewarded for making a project. So all of you will be getting an customized iDemoed sticker for participating in this hackathon. Make sure you have address submitted to hackpack/address. Let me drop it in the chat again, hackp.ac/address, so that you can get this amazing sticker for y'all. Okay, but did I say I'm done with the prizes? Not really. Remember, if you were in the opening slide, we had the most active hacker, and we are giving them an additional swag. So one of you has been super active, super helpful, keeping the chats alive, making new friends, maybe playing with them, maybe just hacking with them, and they get to be the most active hacker for this weekend, and they get a special prize. Any idea who is that? And the most active hacker for Suppport-a-thon is, drum rolls. Who is it? Who is it? It's Datta. Congratulations, Datta. You were one of the most active hackers out there for this weekend, and you will be getting a very special prize from MLH. Just open a ticket and you can send me the details, and so I can get you for that. Awesome. But the fun doesn't end this weekend. Well, I hope you had fun this weekend, and if you did, we have another hackathon coming next weekend. What is it, Ellie? Oh, you're on mute.
Sorry. Yes, so that's going to be Design-a-thon, December 23rd through the 25th for APAC region. So yes, you can check out the other different MLH events on mlh.io/events. And then not just that, but we also have our Global Hack Week coming up in January, where I'm sure Ashwin, will you be doing streams for it?
I mean, if the hackers want me to, I would be happy to come
I
back.
think you should. I think you should. I know I'll be doing some as well, so definitely be on the lookout for those. And yeah, thank you so much once again to all the hackers, mentors, and judges. And we'll see you all next time.
Bye, everyone. See you next
Bye.
weekend.